Hello, I am Yvette, and this is a quick tour of LeadConnect's prospecting features that lets you automate your prospecting efforts on LinkedIn. Let's look at the most powerful feature of LeadConnect, sequences. Sequences are basically sending a connection request with personalized notes and then sending out predefined automated follow-ups until the prospect responds. Let me walk you through on how to set up your first sequence. First, open your Chrome extension by clicking on the LC logo, which you can see on the right top corner, and then navigate to Sequences tab. Now to create a new sequence, click on Create New button. Give your sequence any name you want to give for your own reference. Now you have to select the type. Select Invitation Type to reach out to new target audience who are out of your network. Else, select First Degree Message to run a messaging cadence on your existing connection. You can push the data based on events to Zapier and integrate multiple platforms. Next step will be to define your target audience. There are 3 ways you can define your target audience: using LinkedIn Search Query, free version, or Sales Navigator, list of profiles in CSV file, webhooks, where you can push the profiles programmatically using the unique URL. For the demo purpose, let's set up a sequence to reach out to management consulting firms in New York City with 11 to 50 employees. For that, I will navigate to Sales Navigator and go to the Advanced setting, select Search for Leads. So what we're going to do at this moment is to go ahead and find or create a list showing headcount of 11 to 50 employees for New York City management. So in the geography area, we're going to do New York City. We highlight that and go ahead and click on it. And now we want to go ahead and let's migrate to the next one, which we're going to go ahead and select the industry. It's going to be management consulting firms. As you can see, it's already sorting out what we're needing in Sales Navigator. So now what we're going to also go and migrate to the company headcount. Open up that. We're going to go ahead and select the 11 to 50. And again, it's narrowing down the field that we need. And we're going to select one more option. Search takes effect. So we can search and put in something like, in quotes, founder. If I type it right, there we go. Parentheses. And then you want to use the or. So it really specializes specifically in these particular terms or the titles. And once again, it's continue to narrow down the field. And you can also use not, just giving you some other things right now. Basically, I'm just going to use or, Chief Executive Officer. So the total results right now, it's a little bit over 6,000. I'm close to 7,000. So more likely, when you go into the title, you can't combine the or and the not. It's going to be either or not assistance or not salesperson when you do your searches, or the words can be capitalized in the middle or not. Once you are happy with the results, just copy the URL from LinkedIn and paste it on LeadConnect under the target audience section and press enter. If the URL is valid, the tool will accept it and will be shown in blue color. You can define multiple URL so that once people from the first URL is exhausted, the tool will continue working on second URL, and so on. After that, you need to define the messages that will be sent out as per your predefined schedule. First step will be the personal note, which will go along with your connection request. After that, you can define multiple follow-up messages, which will be sent once the connection request is accepted. You define different delays for each message, and you can personalize each message with placeholders as well. The last step is to withdraw the pending invites after defined days so that you don't have so many pending invites in your account. Once you are happy with the configuration, save changes. Now decide how many invites should be sent out per day for this sequence by defining people enrolled per day limit. Click on Start, and Tool will start processing your sequence. You can check all the activities in real time that is being performed by the tool in Activity Log. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Feel free to contact us on support@leadconnect.io for any suggestions or questions. Happy prospecting!